Headed outside.
I definitely couldn't go up in Canada.
By the way, this is not Linda.
It will get super funny. Not to say another thing. I think we'll all be like blinded.
Yeah, why don't we do shade? So we're not squinting.
Shade is
Alright. I think Sarah made it!
I think this is good right here, right?
Yes. We have a couple levels. There's the like naturally curved
Matt
back
thinks
that we could go for over there.
that we're trying to get a group photo.
It is.
Denise.
Linda, do you want to coordinate the picture?
Yeah. All right.
Yes. I think Linda should coordinate. She's good at it. Want to coordinate?
Why don't you come here? Sagar.
Oh yeah, she loves to coordinate. Go. Look it up.
Aw. Everybody get in line.
Okay, everybody.
Get in there.
Model-esque. So, you know, all the trees are beautiful green, and my friend who's an accountant, who's colorblind, he always calls himself colorblind. It drives me insane. Some of his really close friends, we all chipped in and we got you the chroma glasses so you can see color. The first time, and and let me tell you one thing. His mom, we wanted to send these to Riverside so his mom could be there, and she selflessly said, no, I want him to do this with his friends. So your mom is on Facebook Live because we got it going to my page.
Just tired of me joking about it.
But you have to put them on. You have to wear them 10 hours. And there's a whole thing of directions, so just don't take them off. And it takes a little bit of time. Color balloons. And then I mentioned to Misty so she could be here.
Look at Misty's mask.
There's something in my eye.
Okay. Can you see through the tears? Hold on.
So I'm actually about to put on rose-colored glasses.
Yes. It takes a little bit of time.
No, they work. Wow. So I am red-green deficient, which means reds. You have a red rod, a green rod, and a blue rod, or whatever it is. My red rod is shorter, so I normally can't see anything with red. And now I just need to show Google color code so I really still understand.
Oh, good lord. And pink,
Wow.
pinks too. You've never seen pinks, right?
No. Wow. I don't know how to explain it because I've never seen it any other way. Who's got really good eyes? Who else can look through these for a second? Thank you, guys.
Well, the correct something that you don't have, so it probably wouldn't do.
Yeah, it wouldn't work for me. They just look like beautiful rose-colored glasses for me.
Yeah.
What it
So Baravi, Seth, and my husband, everybody, your mom and your dad,
Sarah.
me, Sarah Prevost.
Thank you, guys.
We love you, man.
We love you.
All right, everybody line up for hugs.
Now I can see how bad my website looks.
Thank goodness. Now I have to call you and say, did you really want to have that red running at the bottom of the page?
You don't know how many times, Linda will message me and she'll be like, I don't think you know, but the text, only the first paragraph of the text is red for some reason. I'm like, really? I thought it was black. Or the shirt I wore the other day that I thought was gray, but it wasn't. So now if I'm wearing pink, I actually have to own it.
I love that your mother says, what did you do? Do not wear that shirt. Did you know it's pink?
Sorry.
Well, you look good at it.
That shirt back on again.
I know.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So-
now you can
Rock
wear
that pink.
Thank you so much, guys. This is, ever since I was a kid, I've always I literally almost got held back in first grade because I couldn't see colors and they didn't know I was colorblind. It wasn't
They just
until...
thought you were a smartass?
No, they thought I was dumb.
Also, those you can wear inside. They're dark. I think they turn.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you can wear my sunglasses too?
Inside.
How do they look, though?
inside.
Are they stylish?
They are Matt Fulton approved.
Wow.
There's some burgundy trees
There you
too.
go. That's what you look like.
I even like the color of the lens. They're different.
Yeah.
I don't know what color they are, but
They're good looking.
wow. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for being here for this moment. Thank you to my parents. Thank you.
We almost made stage for you.
This was more important than main stage. Come on.
I know.
Yes.
Oh, and they gave us balloons. If everybody wants to blow up a balloon.
Oh,
So now I'm gonna have to redo my
Balloons in all
power.
the colors so you can see all the colors. You can blow. I can blow.
That's probably what they.
Go outside.
I'm gonna do the red.
Let me take one.
Linda Matt, picture.
Orange. Here you go. Do you want to take QuickBooks Green?
Okay, don't move because I'm gonna get you first.
Okay, I can do that.
I love it. Missy got in there!
Wow.
Can you see the colors of the balloons? They said not to do that. You're not supposed to do that. Let's just keep them on. So, except for what? Oh, and it has a hole.
Yellow.
Oh no!
Oxygen. I need more oxygen.
defective.
Is that still on live?
Yes. That was Seth David, for those who were wondering who dropped the F-bomb.
Is she still there?
Hopefully not.
I can't tell who's there. Oh, that's Debbie? Debbie's mom? Yeah.
Yeah, she's
Mom, we love your son. He's so important to our community. We love everything that you contribute to. We hope that you're part of this, and if you're not, we have tons of footage to share with you afterwards.
Remember when I said I was gonna be one of those guys who didn't cry when they
Look at your purple. Look at your purple.
Here's the hard part.
Oh yeah, check out her hair.
Actually, I need you to go into the sun, please, so I can see your hair. Because we were at lunch and it took just a little. Now I can see it. This side, definitely.
Perfect.
I could not see that when we went to lunch the other day. I could barely tell. But now I can completely see his hair. Thank you so much.
And you look good on pigs, my friend. Every time.
So now, this video needs to be hidden in case I run any red lights. This takes away my excuse. So.
Oh, I think it's going to be shared.
When you get pulled over.
I gotta do the blue.
It is actually, it's crazy, is the colors are becoming more vibrant over a little bit of time.
Yeah.
So it really does take.
So it's like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Wow. So more vibrant. That's awesome.
Yeah.
That's awesome. It's a really nice color.
Yeah, they're nice glasses.
Yeah, they look good.
I'm stoked. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad. They wanted to. I'd always told them I'd be there with them.
They're with you.
They are.
They're with you now.
It's cool. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody.
I'll wrap it up.